Salamat! Manase! Okay. Oh my God. Salama, hi, I'm Ernest from Madagascar, and today I'm in this rural village called Buipari. And today I will be cooking and preparing some Malagasy food for you. Not really for you, but for these guys. We have like rice and then fresh coconut. We're gonna use the milk after, and then the rice with coconut is gonna be served with pork and then cassava. These are the cassava leaves, but with the local tools, we've crushed them, so we add this like green crushed cassava leaves. Can you come over here? We can add some oil on the cooking pot. Can you hear that sound? That sounds yummy. Let's just brown the pork. Cover it. So what we're gonna do now, while waiting for the cassava and pork to be cooked, we are going to prepare the rice with the coconut. 1, 2, and you see all the juicy thing? Ah, that's yummy. In Madagascar, and especially in this rural village, we don't have like electricity. There is no electricity, so there is no blender. I'm gonna use like a local tool because I need to get the milk. So here we have the coconut. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna prepare the coconut to get the milk out of it, so to have the coconut milk. But first of all, I'm going to wash my hand first. We can add some water. Like it's a warm water. It's just warm, and we're gonna pour it in the coconut. So now I have the milk. You see? I'm using my hand. A Malagasy person eats rice, eats about 140 kilograms of rice per year, and that is really something. Going to work on the rice a little bit. And then I'm going to wash it, which is amazing in this village because now I can use safe clean water. The rice now, like one in hot water. I just put a bit of water in the rice, just to, and then once this water is like dry, then, and the rice is not totally cooked, then I'm gonna add the coconut milk. So now what I'm gonna do before, something like 5 minutes before the cassava and the pork are cooked, is like I'm going to add a bit of garlic. Oh geez. Oh my God. This cassava in this area is amazing. It's really, wow, yummy. So the rice is like, it's not cooked yet, but just nearly there. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna add the coconut milk. Sorry, juicy. Yes. Bit of salt. I've cooked the rice and the coconut for about like 25 minutes, and it is ready. And as well, I mean, the cassava with like pork, I've cooked it about for about 45 minutes. So I'm just going to ask my friend to like get close up so you can see. Come over here, man. So this is cooked. This is the rice with coconut, and it's really, really tasty. It's delicious. Close up. So yeah. Okay. This is the cassava and pork. And then it's hot. It's hot. Mialala zaiva. Okay, rakiza viminambari. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my my rice with the coconut milk and then my cassava with pork. Yeah, and see you next time.